Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2016 Honda Elysion.
What we need to be prepared for, it's the K518 Pro from our Lonsdor, the OBD lines, and 2 new smart keys produced by our Lonsdor. Plug in OBD lines. Select Smart Key Generation. In Honda, find Elysion. Select the menu of Elysion 47. Put the Honda Smart Key into the card slot. Generate. Generation successful. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Honda. Select from vehicle. Asia. Elysion. Before 2018. Smart key. Button 3. All smart key lost. Follow the prompts. Click OK. Please turn off the ignition switch. Put a smart key to be programmed inside the car. Take out the other keys at a distance of more than 5 meters outside the car. Click OK. Press twice the start button. See if you can turn on the ignition switch. It's all keys lost, so the ignition switch cannot be turned on. Click Cancel. Please press and hold Start/Stop button and don't release it. The ignition switch is on. Please release Start button. Click OK. Please enter the number of keys to be programmed. OK. OK. Please in 100s take all keys away from the car at least 10 feet. Click OK when done. Put another smart key to be programmed in the car. OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Number of programmed keys. 2. OK. Programming completed. Please turn off the ignition switch. Click OK according to the prompts. It has been programmed smart keys successfully. Now, let's see if the keys work. The first key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key to start car successfully. The second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key to start car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control works. The first key lock. Unlock. Second key lock. Unlock.
We have programmed smart key for 2016 Honda Elysion. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.